Hello and welcome to class. This will be a nighttime evening routine to wind down before we end our day. So take a deep breath, close your eyes and get to a standing position. Maybe this is the last time you'll stand up today if you're getting ready for bed. So feel the ground beneath you. Relax your shoulders. Relax your brow. Just the act of relaxing is yoga. Elongate your breathing. Make it flow naturally, but especially on the exhale, empty completely of air. Start to sway a little bit, side to side. Still, the shoulders are moving away from the ears. Your arms are getting heavy. Your feet feels the mat or the ground beneath you. Shift the weight backwards and forwards. A little bit to your toes, gripping the mat. A little bit back. Feel how that changes the way your body needs to respond. Slowly start to curl your neck down towards your chin. Let your shoulders follow. Round the upper back. Your arms are heavy, reaching towards the ground. Bend your knees. Let your neck relax and maybe grab your opposite elbow. Dangle here. Keep on swaying, shifting the weight in your feet from side to side, forwards and backwards. Keeping that long breath in and out. Find an anchor. Is it sound? Is it your breath? Focus on that and how this feels in your body. Slowly bend your knees enough to get your hands on the ground. Get down to your hands and your knees in all fours position. Feel the mat meeting your hands, and just like we did with our feet, grip the mat. Feel the weight here in your hands, moving forwards and backwards. You can keep your eyes closed. Remember your anchor is your breath. Is it sound? Is it the feeling of touching the earth? Start to arch your back for a cow. Deep inhale. And on your exhale, round, dome your back. Let your neck release down. One more time. Breathe in, arch your back. Look up. Stretch your neck. And round again for cat. Stay like this in your own pace for a little while. Feel every finger. Feel your knees. Remember the breath. Slowly set your hips back to your heels until you're a seated position. Drag your hands along the mat and up your thighs. Relax your shoulders. Your brow is still releasing all the tension of the day. You can open your eyes. Let your chin be a little bit higher and a little bit more back to get away from all that rounding we do all day on our computer screens, on our phones. Get your right hand to the mat. Lift your left hand up as high as it goes, up above you with a straight arm, and lean over towards the right, getting a side stretch here.
brain gets good at what we practice. And could this somatic release, this slow breathing, this slow movement be something we practice before we go to sleep? Our brain will be happier for it. Come up to center and move to the other side. Right arm up to the sky and over to the side. Remember that breath. Up to center, both arms up. Look up. And again, stretching that neck a little bit, releasing the day. And on your next out breath, let your arms go down slowly to the mat. Put your weight on your hips over to your right on the mat, so your feet are on the left. Twist to your left. Maybe your right hand goes to your left knee. Look over your left shoulder. Let your eyebrows soften if they furrowed again. Back to center, hips over to the other side. Twisting to your right. Remember your anchor. Is it the sound of your surroundings or the sound of the rain and the thunder here? Come back to center and slowly move down to sit on your bum. Knees can be bent. Roll down to lay on your back and hug your knees into your chest. Let your forehead come up to meet your knees and rock from side to side, swaying. If it feels better to release the neck down, do that. Stay like this, moving your hips, your knees in circle with the help of your hands. Or if you love to grab your feet from the outside and lift them up towards the sky, so we're in happy baby. Let your hips lift here, that's okay. We don't want to force anything. We want to let our bodies relax to get ready for the evening, to let go of everything that happened during the day. Maybe put some pressure in your hands into your feet to get your knees a little bit lower. Releasing the grip of your feet. If you grip them, get your knees again. And slowly rock up and down the length of your spine. Slowly up back to a seat. Get to a comfortable seated position for you. Maybe it's on your knees or it's cross-legged. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Release the tension, the focus that we had on our breath, and just let it flow naturally. How do you feel now? Are you more present in your body? You did something good for yourself with this nighttime practice. I thank you for being here. I'll stay with you for another minute. I wish you a good night. Om Shanti.